Let's get it. What are we doing today? Puerto Rican iguana empanadas. Mind blowing. So now the water is boiling just to the right temperature. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. Those two nice two nice tail pieces in. Go ahead and throw it right in there. Two nice legs in there. Two more. Go ahead and let that blanch for about 4 minutes. Got our pieces finally nice and blanch, so we're gonna go ahead and take care of it, right? Get it from the muscle. Smart idea would be to use gloves, but apparently I don't get that memo. And I like to just burn myself. Grab any old knife. Wow. Guess what? We're gonna be using gloves. Because that thing is hot. You can't cool it down because then it makes the skin tighten back up on the meat and that defeats the whole purpose. So you do a little scratch like that. Come right on in and look at that. How easy was that? And that's how we do it. Scratch. This thing is hot. The steam coming off that thing. There's a lot of steam. With gloves, still hot. All right, I don't want to keep seeing this. I'll finish this up. So now we're just gonna go ahead and rinse them off. Get that hotness out of them. You know, cooking all the way because we're gonna put them cooking soon. So take off the claws now. Wow. So, one downside of blanching them is that you're blanching them with the femora pores. The femora pores is the indicator that runs in the inner thigh, indicating if it's a male or female. Well, it's a scent gland as well. The males carry it. So when you blanch the meat, the femora pores cook and it taints the meat. It gives it that tarry, nasty, gamey taste. So I found a way to counteract it. It's just basically an extra step for peeling the skin very easily. And what that step is very simple. This is the key. All you're gonna do is mix water with some vinegar, minimum of 20 minutes, and it will clean up the meat. You'll start seeing the texture tighten up. And that's what we want. We want to get that nasty, gamey taste out. And now you want to rinse off any excess oil, fat that comes into the meat, any extra skin that might be on here. So I'll rinse it off like that one time. Got that extra stuff. Get yourself some vinegar. And now, we don't need that much water that we're sitting down. Go ahead and mix a little. 15-20 minutes. All the excess oil, any dirt just comes on up. Rinse it off again. And then we're pretty much going to shred the meat and get it into the cooking where the magic happens. Let's stay tuned and I hope you enjoy it. First things first, get oil, heat up the pan. We're gonna put the sofrito in there with some tomato sauce, let that cook, season it up. Once it gets going, we're gonna go ahead and shred our iguana meat. All right, we got the oil going, nice and hot. First things first, a homemade sofrito, which is key. Some tomato sauce. Probably half the can compared to what I just used. So we're gonna let this go ahead and cook for like 2 minutes. Garlic. Onion powder. Some pepper. Let's get some salt. Let's get a little dry oregano in there as well. Go ahead and put 2 bay leaves in. I don't like olives, but I do like the flavor that it gives food. Go ahead and mix everything in. And put half a cup of water. You know what? Why not? Let's go ahead and add some tropical sazon. What we got going on? So we're gonna throw our iguana meat, cover it for about 10 to 15 minutes on this low little cook once everything starts boiling some more. And just let the meat cook in it, get all the flavor, and then we're just gonna peel off the meat and we're almost done. Roast out our meat. Got everything going good. Go ahead and drop the meat in there. Smells so good, I just can't keep telling you guys. Perfect. Put a lid on it, 10-15 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and shred the meat. Bam. 10-15 minutes, we come back, shred the meat off, put the chicken back in, put some potatoes in it, and then we have the empanadas halfway there. Do this, and just go ahead and let it do its thing. Just take a look on how's it looking. I'm gonna flip it halfway. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Something's going in my tummy. Bam. Meat done cooled down. I got it out. And I don't want to burn my hands. Got the gloves again. And we're just pretty much, the meat should just come right off. So we're just taking the meat off the iguana. That's it. Smells good, nice and tender. Once again, this is gonna be iguana empanadas. There. So that's just the filling for the empanada. Looking pretty good. What do you guys think? Smells phenomenal. I'm gonna use some light here. So when it's ready, it should look something like this. Now it's ready for the fillings. Turn off the heat, man. Turn it off so you don't burn. Go ahead and just move it over. And what you're gonna do is it has to completely cool off. So I'm gonna remove the top for it to cool off and not to let the steam put water back in it. So that's what we have. It's ready. And we're gonna stuff these things, fry them up, and we have iguana empanadas. All right. Now, final touch. Grab our, I don't like olives, but I like the flavor. Never go wrong with cheese. Okay. We just fold close. That abuelita touch on it. Very nice. 2 empanadas. Waiting for the oil to heat up. In the meanwhile, we clean up. It's time for the magic. Oil's ready. Take it off the heat. Just cool down a little so it's not too hot. Go ahead and place the iguana empanada. I'm excited about this one. Let's do one at a time. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Brown up on both sides. The meat's already cooked inside. Cheese is gonna melt. And your Puerto Rican iguana empanada. Cooking late for you guys. Hope you guys appreciate that. Just for you. Should be a nice golden brown on the other side. Oh my God. Look at that. Tell me you will not try that. Nice golden. The other side cooked now. Slow cook, don't need it too much. It is looking beautiful. And guess what? We got another one ready to go. How it started, right? How it's gonna end up. Very, very nice. Ladies and gentlemen, Puerto Rican iguana empanada is ready. Get oil out of there. Go ahead and put it here with the paper. Go ahead and wrap it. Let's get the excess oil off. Go ahead and open it up for you when I sit down and eat, give you my review. There we go, one side done. Getting the other side done. This one's about to be ready. Yeah. Trying technical difficulties, work with me. And there we have it, iguana empanada. Check that bad boy out. It's beautiful. I'm excited. A little parched. Take a bite
or split it in half. We'll just dive right into it. Outside, perfect. Like, if you know, you know. Woo, all right. Nice meat right there. We're gonna go right in. Woo. Oh my God. Oh my God. If I make this for you, oh my God. We got a winner. Chicken of the tree dinner. Oh my God. Hot. The meat's real tender, soft, not chewy. I'm talking with my mouth full, but this is a hit. Probably make some more tomorrow. See if anybody wants to try it. I'll probably pre-make it. So wherever I'm at, we just gotta fry it right up. But there you got it. So good. Got the potatoes, the cheese, the iguana meat, this great texture. What's not good fried? But wow. Almost as good as the one in Puerto Rico. So I gotta work on it a little bit. But this right here, money. Ooh, dripping. That's how good it is. We are Iguana lifestyles. We catch them, we kill them, we cook them. Hope you guys enjoyed. Comments down below, give us a nice little like. If you don't already follow, subscribe. Love you guys. This is what we do it for. I'm tired, I worked all day. 11 o'clock, 11:20 something at night. I'm tired, but I do it for you guys. I do it for you. Look at that, ooh, look at that cheese melted right there. You guys gotta try this. New one on the menu.